Werewolf Therapeutics. So
great ticker for a company named Werewolf Therapeutics, by the way.
Yeah, and it is Howling this morning. So this one also with a it seems like I think this has a high short interest. No, I'm sorry, it doesn't. That was just from the last one. So no high short interest on this one. The float's heavier. I got 40 million. The market cap is above 20. But the news is that they are not only combining with Ambrose Therapeutics, but also they are securing an oversubscribed concurrent private placement of 150 million. So that helps not only with this acquisition, but also with their balance sheet. So I think that's one of the big reasons why this is seeing some ascension like it is today. Let me get some levels here for you on how. That's what I hadn't done yet with these names. So with this one, VWAP, there's also a trend line you can draw to give yourself a bit of a target. If you start with the impulse moves yesterday and draw it through the 119 high, that gives you a little bit of a trend line that we could, we continue to get this support from VWAP. We could revisit that area. That would take us up to about 125 if we.
Did you draw the trend line through the pre-market high here, or did you draw it through the 2 after hours highs?
The way you had it before.
Right here.
Yes.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. So same thing with this one, just like with June's. If it holds VWAP, then I think there's a good shot for this to push higher into the pre-market before we open. If we lose VWAP, then support's going to have to come from the 65 EMA as we go into the open. Right now, it looks like this one may not have as much volume going into the open as the other one. So I don't know that this one's going to be as great, but maybe we'll see some volume expansion here, out of the blue. It just, the MACD is kind of starting to roll over here. Volume's not looking great. So unless there's some volume coming, not sure about Howl just yet.
Okay. Did Howell give a per share dollar value for that $150 million private placement? I didn't see it there in the news, but I actually didn't go through the PR myself.
Yeah, nor did I. Let's see. And I don't even know if, this private placement is going to be for even shares. It might be for converts.
Yeah, and they didn't mention it. I don't see it anywhere in here, 13.
Yeah, so I don't know how that is structured. But if it was just going to be with commons, you would have likely gotten a share price right away, and I don't think that's what you're going to see here because this may end up being converts or some other kind of debt financing.